All streamlined BBs measure within a 100th of a millimeter in diameter, making them extremely uniform in size. The high level of consistency in size also makes our streamlined BBs extremely consistent in weight as well, as they average within a 100th of a gram, giving an extremely tight deviation in weight. This is why Lancer Tactical BBs are a favorite amongst every kind of airsoft player, both first-time novices and experienced hobbyists, as the streamlined BB allows you to shoot your airsoft gun to its highest potential.